What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to optimize the battery health settings to maximize its lifespan in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery. Now in battery, here you will see a power saving button, so turn on this button and then you will see a protect battery button, so turn on these both buttons to maximize the lifespan of your battery. So that's how you can optimize the battery settings to maximize the lifespan of your battery. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.